Well, I'm gonna finally start the intake swap. Actually, I'm doing a exhaust manifold, aftermarket one, the APN brand. Here it's good. They didn't ship to Canada, so I phoned in, got it shipped. Be here in about a week. I'm gonna do a swap too for the intake because, well, what a better time, right? You have to take it off anyway. Might as well get rid of that old piece of crap. So, got a newer one. This is from a 2001 Jeep, Grand Cherokee. Wiring harness has all been cut and stuff, so I gotta swap that over. Although all the wires and connectors are different, so hopefully they'll swap right in. But right now I'm going to clean it up, take off that power steering pump because I don't need it. Waste of brake cleaner. Only got one can. This wiring harness is useless. All these connectors are different from the ones on my Jeep, and it's been cut back here. First thing you need to do is take off anything from the intake. For example, power steering is mounted, take that off. Don't need to clean it. Take this bracket off here so you can remove the fuel rail. And to remove the wiring harness, there's these little red clips on here. You don't have to take them off completely. You just get a screwdriver under there and twist the screwdriver. And then you can press it like any other connector and just remove that. Once that's off, you can remove any other wires. For example, these ones. You just push it in and pull. Some wiggling may be necessary. Now for this one here, it's quite close to the fuel rail, so I might have to get a screwdriver, push it in, and pull back at the same time, and then it comes right off. The wiring harness should pull right out. Next would be the fuel rail, and sometimes these are really stuck in there, so you might want to get yourself a really long pry bar. Or, in this case, it's not really stuck. You just gotta give it a few wiggles, and it'll come right out. Make sure to unclip your fuel line. That's been cut. Check if all your O-rings are there. In my case, they are. In pretty decent condition too, in case you need to reuse the injectors. Next on the list would be the throttle body. That's a 10 mil. Well, that's as clean as she gets. Nice and clean in there. Got the throttle body nice and clean. I took that off as well, cleaned it. Just reused the gasket, it was in decent condition. I also cleaned the fuel injectors. They're nice and clean. There's the mess. Okay, well, this concludes part one, I guess. Next part will be removing the other intake. That's already on my Jeep, and the exhaust manifold. Cleaning all that, getting it prepped. And then part three will be installing, I guess, probably. I don't know. Depends how long it'll take, but without further news. So talk to you later.